Right, welcome to a new episode of the vlog. Today we're doing something slightly different. We're going inside the car. The inside of the Brat has got a vinyl flooring. It's in two halves. Doesn't look that great. I'll show you actually right now. Right, so it's made of a vinyl, obviously. Two parts. Doesn't look great. Doesn't fit well either, as you can see. So what we're doing is using a four-way stretch carpet. Now, if you've seen the inside of like a VW T5, T4 camper vans, you see the back of them sometimes, they're all completely covered in this carpet. It's, you know, conforming to all kinds of weird shapes. So we're using that material. It's, like I said, it's a four-way stretch. You can use it on any kind of weird shape. It doesn't pucker up, hopefully, or anything like that. So we'll be ripping all this out, putting that in, making it nice and fresh and new. And yeah, should be a simple process, hopefully, and hopefully I can get this done in 4 hours, because I've only got 4 hours to do it. So let's go. I've been looking for this 16mm for about a month. Yeah, it was under the carpet. Cool. Alright, all the carpet's out, all the vinyl's out. You can see that I've sound deadened everything. I did that a while ago. Pretty boring, pretty easy, but pretty boring job. Obviously I've got my audio stuff, because there's obviously the amplifier there, subwoofer there. I can't get that panel off without taking pretty much all the dash off, so I'm not going to do that because I have to get around that. So pretty straightforward around here. I've got to take that off, or this back panel off here. That should be pretty simple. Just pop those off. Yeah, it should be pretty easy. And then obviously take those off, the seat belts, and then we can start yeah, laying it in, and hopefully it's all right. Obviously that piece is off now, exposing this piece of metal like that. You can hear that noise. So what I'm going to do is put some of the those squares of sound deadening on there and see how much of a difference it makes. So it should go from, you know, something like that to something a lot duller sounding. So let's put a couple of those on and then see what difference that makes. So that's dulled it down a little bit. A lot lower sounding than the tinny sound before, so that's all good. We will get some carpet in. Right, like I said, this is going to be tricky to film, but I think from the bit of footage that I have done, you'll get the idea of what's going on here and how to do it. Yeah, it's all done. It's all in. It was a pain in the arse. I was upside down in all kinds of weird shapes. I've got one trim back on there. That one obviously I couldn't get off, so I've worked around that one, but it's all in. It looks amazing. I'm going to get the back piece on there, put the trims in, put all the interior back in. I might put the seats back in, probably just rest them in there because I might be changing those seats. They're obviously not the original seats, they're the seats out of an Impreza Sport, so a little bit comfier than the original seats, but they sit quite high, so I need to modify the rails or get another seat. I don't know yet, so that's in the future. That's the least of my worries. I've got to get everything back in now. With not much time to do it, so let's get that back panel in, side pieces in, center console in, and then maybe put the seats in. Well, I've got to get a stereo in. Ugh, okay, right. Let's just, yeah, I'm just going to start doing stuff. It's probably one of the shortest vlogs I've ever done. Saying that, get to editing, it's probably really long. But yeah, it's... but we are done. For the most part, anyway, there's lots of little bits and pieces I probably want to finish off or kind of add to in the end, but the basics are done. Now, there you go. That's what it looks like. Yeah, nice and clean and simple. Now, what I'm probably going to do in here is make a little template out of card and wrap it in the same carpet. To finish that off, make that nice in there. Do the same for that little pocket in there. Stereo, well, amp is back in. Sub box. Let's go around here. You can see the little sub box there, so I'll wrap that with that material as well. That'd be nice. View from the other side. Obviously, I need to put the seats back in, but it's all gone in nicely, nice and clean and fresh, which I'm really into. Need to get another one of those lower half pieces there. But yeah, the sub will be mounted in there and wrapped and be all nice and clean. But for the majority of that, yeah, it's done. Obviously, steering wheel needs to change. I've got a steering wheel there, nice and nardy, need to change that. Apart from that, that's it. Now in other news, I did get a package from the States, from that place. You'll have to wait to see what that is, but I'm pretty excited, and I've been meaning to do, well, I've been wanting to do it for a while to this car, but haven't had the funds to do it. So I've been working my arse off recently, hence the lack of vlogs. Saving up money to get to do this, but it's going to take the car to the next level. Obviously I still need to finish off some other aesthetics, still need to finish off the other arch obviously, but once that's done it'll be side skirts, which we'll obviously do a vlog on those, and then lots of little bits and pieces. I need to repaint the doors and the main body of it, but there's still lots of things to do, but yeah, there'll be lots of cool stuff incoming. So hope you liked it. Probably a bit of a talky vlog, not that much action, and the action is inside of the car and hard to film, so I apologise. Yeah, thank you again for checking the videos out, really appreciate it. Sorry it's the short one, but there will be more soon and it will be worth the wait. So yeah, thank you very much and take care.
Subscribe, you fools.